Welcome to Everyday English Conversation. Today, we bring you an engaging and practical conversation set in a restaurant. Join Emma and Jake as they navigate a delightful dining experience. Whether you're learning English or brushing up on your speaking skills, this video is perfect for understanding real-life interactions. So grab a seat and let's dive into this fun and educational dialogue.
Good evening. Welcome to Gourmet Bistro. How can I assist you today?
Good evening. I'd like a table for one, please.
Certainly. Would you prefer a table by the window or closer to the center?
By the window would be nice, thank you.
Follow me, please.
This is perfect. Thank you.
Here's the menu. Would you like some water to start?
Yes, please. Make it chilled.
Sure. I'll be back shortly with your water. Here's your water. Are you ready to order, or do you need more time?
I'm still deciding. Can you recommend something special?
Our chef's special is grilled salmon with lemon butter sauce. It's quite popular.
That sounds interesting. What else would you recommend?
If you prefer something lighter, our Caesar salad with grilled chicken is a great option.
I think I'll go with the grilled salmon.
Excellent choice. Would you like any sides with that?
What are the options?
You can choose mashed potatoes, steamed vegetables, or a side salad.
I'll have steamed vegetables, please.
Got it. Would you like to add a drink?
Yes, I'd like a glass of lemonade.
Sweet or unsweetened?
Sweet, please.
Great. Would you like to start with an appetizer?
Sure. What's good?
Our garlic bread and bruschetta are customer favorites.
I'll go with the garlic bread.
Perfect. I'll get your order started. Here's your garlic bread. Enjoy.
Thank you. It smells amazing.
Let me know if you need anything else. How's the garlic bread?
It's delicious, crispy and flavorful.
I'm glad you like it. Your main course will be out soon. Here's your grilled salmon with steamed vegetables. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. This looks amazing.
Do you need any sauces or condiments?
Do you have tartar sauce?
Yes, I'll bring some for you. Here's the tartar sauce. Anything else?
No, this is perfect.
How's everything so far?
It's fantastic. The salmon is cooked perfectly.
I'm so glad to hear that. Would you like to see the dessert menu?
Sure. What do you have?
We have chocolate lava cake, cheesecake, and tiramisu.
The chocolate lava cake sounds tempting.
It's one of our most popular desserts. Shall I bring you one?
Yes, please.
Here's your chocolate lava cake.
Thank you. It looks wonderful.
How was the dessert?
It was heavenly. I loved it.
I'm so glad you enjoyed it.
Can I have the bill, please?
Certainly. I'll bring it right away. Here's your bill. Take your time.
Thank you. Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we do.
Here's my card.
Thank you. I'll be back with your receipt. Here's your receipt. Have a great evening.
Thank you. The meal was fantastic. Thanks for the wonderful service.
It was our pleasure. Thank you for dining with us.
I'll definitely recommend this place to my friends.
That means a lot to us. Thank you.
By the way, do you have any live music events here?
Yes, every Friday evening.
That's good to know. I'll try to visit on a Friday.
We'd love to have you back. Have a great evening.